Okay, what we got here, this is the brand new wiper motor that the owner purchased for his Chevelle, and I'm swapping it out. We're actually getting ready to put this car on the rotisserie. You can see I just installed the brand new power booster. Now what I did on that, to make it look factory original, I went ahead and clear coated out 3 or 4 coats of clear, spray can clear. I used the satin clear on it, and that will make that last many, many years so it doesn't rust out. So it took them almost a year to get this, believe it or not. Why it took that long, I don't know. I guess it was back ordered or some issue. And that's going to go like that. So what I'm trying to do here now is this little thing has to go in here, see? So it has to fit in there. And this is going to be tricky to put in. I can see that now. So you've got to have this just right, see, for it to go on there. But that's the problem, is getting it on there. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm going to come right back to that. But what we got here, we got the frame over here now. It's in line to put underneath the car. We got everything done on the frame. And it's ready to get this thing put back together. So once I get the body on the frame, I can go ahead and hook all the brake lines up. I can hook the fuel lines up, all the return lines. We can put the fuel tank back in the vehicle, the brand new one. And then we can go ahead and tape the bottom of the car off, get the rest of the car taped off, put it in 2K primer, and then we're really not done with the body work yet. If you come over here, let me show you. If we look right here, you can see I got tape on this. Of course, that is to protect it from this action here, but also in each one of these corners, they got rust and rot in it. We got to cut that out and replace that. So we got to remove the back glass, and you can see where they actually put silicone in the corners down here to protect that, so it wouldn't leak water. But other than that, I mean, this thing's pretty much ready. We're going to go ahead and pull the windshield out. The windshield itself, what's going on with that? I didn't see any major rust up here. Actually, look here, we do have rust. Look at this. There's a spot here and right here. That's actually a rust hole. So we're going to have to cut that out, this section out, and fix that. And I think that was the only rust that I found on the vehicle, up around the windshield, that is. So what we'll do is we'll get this on the frame, but I got to put all this firewall stuff on, so I ain't leaning over the engine and all that. I want to get all this back together. We got the wipers that hook up right here. We'll go ahead and put that back on once I get the motor in, and then that'll work. And ready to start hooking stuff up and getting this thing done.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're taking the car body off of the rotisserie finally. There you go. And hopefully going to put the frame under it. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's just fucking bullshit. $1,500 rotisserie. What we got is, look at that. Do you see that? The big wheels don't even hit the ground. It's these fucking metal wheels, and they're all sitting sideways. Spend all that money for this fucking thing, and it's made in China junk. That's what it is. Did you loosen this one? Yeah, it's fucking loose. Crooked. Okay, hold on. Go. There we go. Okay. All right, you lift that end up and I'll pull on this. You gotta lift it all the way up. Hold it. Can you lift it up higher where it's straighter? It's like, there it is, come on. Okay, set it down for now. All right. Got it? Got it on there?
Yep.
Didn't lose that on the journey. Not made in America, not no good. Plain and simple. All right, lift it up.
God. Hang on.
Let me lift it up and then you pull on it. I'll pull on it. And you hold the rotisserie. Move. Come on. Is it out?
It's out.
Get that out of the way. All right, so what we got here is a contraption that I made for everybody that doesn't remember. And this is a special contraption only to work on this type of car, which is our Chevelle. Now, it could work on any A body, but I know it works on this one specifically. Wow. Should I keep it? Do you think I'm ever going to do any more of these?
You never know. You can always modify it for something else.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get these brackets off. There's like 5 bolts holding it on each one. Once we get that done, we're going to line the frame up. We're going to line the frame up and get this thing under the car. All right, when Minnie goes and gets the tractor to pull this thing back under the frame, we're going to go ahead and take the air out of the tires. Because I've done this so many times, I know exactly what I need to do to get it back under the car. that chain around. We need to turn this chain around. Keep going. That's good. So what the plan is we got a chain coming all the way out here. We're gonna bring our Coyote tractor over here. We're gonna pull it through the car very, very slow. And once we get past the front firewall, that back hump right there where the rear end bolts to, we might have to jack it up with our engine hoist. I don't remember, but we might have to hook our engine hoist up to get it to where we need it to be. But I think with the flat tires, it should roll right under. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm gonna have to put one of these right there underneath where it's sitting on each side to jack it up even 4 inches higher to get it up under there. Okay, before we go through all that hassle of jacking it up and everything, let's go ahead and measure the height and see if it'll actually go under there. So we got approximately 20 inches. So it's got to be a minimum of 20 inches. And we got 23 here. You want to go ahead and try it?
Yep. 3 inches to spare.
I don't know. So we got 23 inches, 23 and a quarter. Let's double check this. Actually, we got 25 inches. Tell me when. Look.
Okay. A little more. Wait, no, that's it. That's it.
Go slow. Keep going. Now watch this jack over here. It's gonna clear. So you get that's the jack's gonna clear on. Okay, that's all. Take the bar out. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, it's on there. Is it lined up?
I think so.
Take it out. Okay, so we can jack the body up, move it around the floor jack from there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Over here. Over here in the back, look.
Oh, I thought you were
No,
in the middle.
on the back one. How's it look?
Supposed to go in that hole right there or that hole right there?
It's in the hole that's lined up with it.
I'll put it down.
Which way's it got to go?
This way.
Hang on. Hang on.
Whoa!
How's that?
Much.
Too much. Just let me do that. You lower it. Let me do it. Look at him. There. Keep going. Hold it. going. Hold on. The whole body's got to go that way. It's way fucking off. Well, the frame's got to come this way, so hang on. Let's move the frame. Okay? Hang on. The left, right side, you got to move it over to the left. It's got to be moved a lot. Just got to come over about. Just got to come over. Right there. Okay, hold on. Don't be on thing. Let's see. Okay, let it down slow. Come on. Come on. All the way. There you go. Okay. That should line everything up. That should line everything up where we can bolt this thing together. So now we got to take these, and then they go up into the frame, and then we got to take this bolt and bolt that onto the frame. But this is what happened. Come on over here. They gave us too many of these for one, and they didn't give us enough bolts. So now we got to go to the hardware store to get bolts.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.